Can't I just hold it? Just for a little while? We're getting real close to where my mom and dad are. Maybe I can...
Not now, Clementine. Maybe later, okay?
Okay.
How's O'Neid?
His leg's pretty bad.
I'm fine.
You're not fine. You need to rest. He needs to rest.
Yeah, you're right. Kenny, hold up. Kenny, goddammit, I said hold up! O'Neid needs to take a break. Let's give him a minute.
We're almost at the river. Almost to the boats.
Then it won't hurt to stop for just one damn minute.
What the hell?
Maybe this city's not so dead after all.
Keep moving. No one's ringing that bell. It's automatic. On a timer.
What kind of church bell goes off at 20 past the hour? Someone's up there!
Are you sure? I don't see anything.
Hey! Hey, you up there!
Damn it, Lee. Keep quiet. You're gonna...
If I were you, I'd get out of the street now.
I thought you said that thing didn't work.
Who the hell is this? Hello? Hello! I said answer me!
What the hell was that? Is someone trying to fuck with us? Sounded more like a warning.
Ask not for whom the bell tolls.
What are you yammering on about?
It tolls for thee.
Oh, shit!
God damn it! Run! Follow me!
Und damit hallo, herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge von The Walking Dead, Episode 4. Hinter jeder Ecke. Wir sind hier in Savana angekommen und Kenny ist am Boden.
Kenny!
Little too close, don't you think?
Ben!
No!
What the fuck?
Ben, help her!
Ben, tu was! Du Feiges!
God damn it!
Wow!
No!
Danke, Chuck.
Get her the hell out of here. I'll catch up with you.
Danke, Chuck. Fuck.
Move your asses! River Street's right up ahead!
That's not all.
Oh, give me a fucking break!
Wait, where the hell's Chuck?
Shit, he's in trouble. We gotta help him.
Kenny and Feigling.
There's no time! We gotta go, now! I'll be fine! Just go!
Kenny ein Feigling, Ben ein Feigling. Mit was für Leuten arbeite ich hier eigentlich zusammen?
I'll get the door.
You okay?
Yeah.
You've opened up your wound. You're bleeding. Shit, it's gonna get infected. We've gotta get him inside. Clean him up.
Kenny, how's that door
I'm
coming?
working on it.
Well, work faster, would you? Won't be long before those things outside figure out where we went. You know they can smell blood.
Lady, I ain't the one who's bleeding.
Let me see if I can find us a way in.
Mann, hier in Savana ist auch hier die Hölle los. Oh, ich weiß nicht mehr, wo genau wir hin sollten. Wo
Do you
wir...
think the dead people saw us come back here? Are they going to find us?
Try not to worry. Even if they saw us, they can't get in here.
We did. Why can't they?
We're a lot smarter than they are. They're just like dumb animals. They can't open doors.
I used to have a pet hamster. One night he figured out how to open the door to his cage, and when we woke up, he'd eaten half a box of cookies.
I don't think this is quite the same, Clem.
Yeah, right. This time we're the cookies.
Just stay away from the gate. I'm gonna see about getting us inside the house.
Oh Mann. Ab und zu merkt man schon, dass Clementine ein Kind ist. So, wir sprechen trotzdem, bevor wir hier einen Weg suchen mit
How's he
allem.
looking?
I'm all right.
You're not all right. You've reopened your wound, you're losing blood, and God only knows what might have gotten in there. It could be infected, it could be...
No offense, but you really need to work on your bedside manner.
Krista's right. Looks pretty bad.
You're as bad as she is. I'm telling you, it's just a... Jesus!
Quit trying to be a tough guy, Omid. Hell, I'd be crying like a baby my leg looked like that.
Please, we have to get him inside.
Don't worry. I'm on it.
Ja, ich bin schon auf dem Weg, Mensch. Wow.
Looks like something was buried here.
Möge der Hund in Ruhe, Frieden,
Just a
schlafen.
doghouse.
Das wird wahrscheinlich der Hund sein. Wie geht es Chuck? Ich hoffe, ihm geht's gut. Ja. Nein. Ah, Mist. Ja. Ein
Not
Brunnen.
thirsty enough to drink that yet.
Okay. Wann habt ihr eigentlich das letzte Mal was gegessen? Ich möchte
Wer?
wirklich mit allen zuerst sprechen. Meinst du, wir kriegen die Fenster auf?
Think we can get in through one of these windows?
Man, I don't think so. Whoever owned this place had them all barred up.
Yeah, looks pretty solid. About what happened back there on the street.
I know. I don't know what happened. I just froze up. Hasn't that ever happened to you?
Just hear what I'm saying to you. You put that girl in danger again. It won't be walkers you have to worry about.
I hear you.
How do you think Kenny's holding up?
I don't know. It's like all he can think about is finding a boat. He definitely doesn't want to talk about Katja and Duck, at least not with me.
Maybe we should just let him deal with it in his own way. I'm gonna go check things out.
All right.
Ja, der Kenny, der hat ja jetzt eine schwierige Zeit. Er ist zwar ein Arschloch ab und zu. Aber wir waren auch schon Arschlöcher zu gewissen Leuten. Und trotzdem hat man uns verziehen.
You think maybe someone's still inside?
Nah, we'd have heard from him by now, all the racket we're making. But whoever was here did a pretty good job fortifying it. Nice place to hole up, if we could just figure out how to get in.
Ja,
Hey, how you holding up, man?
Lee, I appreciate the interest, but I don't think talking about my feelings right now is gonna help us get inside this house.
hat er
How's
eigentlich
it
schon
coming?
recht.
Find a way in yet?
Door's locked up tight. Too heavy to force it without making a whole lot of noise.
Maybe there's a better way in.
Well, if there is, I ain't seeing it. Maybe you should have a look around. See what you can find.
Ja,
What's this? Looks like there's some kind of pet door here.
I tried it already. That's locked too.
Who the hell ever heard of a locked doggy door?
I have. My neighbor had one just like that. It's radio controlled. The dog wears a collar with a chip in it, so the door only opens when the dog gets close to it.
Well, shit.
Ah,
Every
nee.
day's a school day.
nee, bitte nicht.
All right, so where's the dog?
Ich weiß, wo der Nein. 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 Nee.
No way I'm gonna be able to bust through that. No way we're gonna force that open. Not without making a lot of noise at least.
Nein, 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 nein. Ich will das Grab nicht öffnen vom Hund.
Damn.
Ich will nicht.
No way I'm gonna be able to bust through that.
Nein, 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 nein. Nein. Ich will echt nicht. Verflixt, ich muss.
Will we be inside soon?
Yeah, not much longer now.
Ja,
I
das
hope
sagst du.
so. It's getting cold out here.
Das sagst du.
How you guys doing?
Not great so long as we're stuck out here. Will you please go figure out a way to get us inside?
Hallo, würdet ihr euch mal bewegen und mir mal ein bisschen... Mir mal ein bisschen helfen?
Empty. Yeah, that would have been too easy.
Ja, ich will gar nicht hinschauen.
Looks like something was buried here.
Ja. Mann. Oh, Junge. Verflixt. Ich dachte echt, du müsstest jetzt hier ausputteln. Oh. Wieso habe ich die vorher nicht gesehen? Ach
The
nein,
shovel is never
scheiße.
not useful.
Ja. Ja. Fuck, jetzt haben wir eine Schaufel und ich weiß ganz genau, was wir bei der Schaufel machen müssen. Wie
Hey,
nennt sich das?
be careful.
Totenstille
Digging up
stören.
dead things isn't what it used to be, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I hear you.
What's buried down there?
Ein Hund. Der Hund. Der Familie.
Nothing. Clem, go over and sit with Krista and Omi, okay?
But I want to...
Just do what I say, okay?
Ah, Mann. Aber die Kleine muss wirklich sowas jetzt nicht anschauen.
Oh, God, the smell.
Das ist der Hund.
Must have belonged to someone.
Das muss die Kleine wirklich nicht sehen.
Can't get it off.
Okay, that is not cool.
Jesus.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, honey. It's just the smell.
Are you sure you're...
I said I'm fine, okay?
Nee, sowas... Nee, sowas... Nee, sowas ist wirklich nichts, was die Clementine muss ansehen. Wirklich nicht.
Here goes nothing.
Yes! God damn!
You see anything in there?
No. Looks like it's been empty a while.
Aber wie kommen wir jetzt rein?
Whatever you're gonna do it fast.
Okay, let me see if I can reach up in there.
Be careful, man.
Nein, Clementine
It's
rein.
no good. I can't get it.
Here, let me try. I think I can...
Ja.
Clem, are you okay? Say something.
Sesam, öffne dich. Clementine, öffne Tür. Ha. Ich weiß nicht.
Good job, Clem.
Yeah, way to go.
I did good, right?
Yes, you did. You did good.
Can we maybe have this conversation inside? My leg's starting to hurt like hell.
Ja. Ich kann
Looks
sie
okay
nicht,
from here. Everybody in.
Ich kann sie ja nicht zusammenscheißen für sowas, nachdem ich sie quasi weggeschickt habe wegen dem Hund. Aber es war auch eine gute Aktion, was sie da gemacht hat. Gefährlich zwar, aber wobei, ich habe ja, also Lee hat reingeschaut und hat gesehen, dass nichts Schlimmes hinter der Tür ist. Von dem her ist es gerechtfertigt, dass man sie lobt.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm good. Feel better already just being off my feet. Thanks, babe.
So, when were you gonna tell us about the radio?
Tell you what?
That it's working. That there's someone else on the other end of that thing. You didn't think that might have been worth sharing with the rest of us? Well?
I didn't see the point in worrying anyone. Not until I figured out who it was.
I don't like people keeping secrets. I especially don't like it when they think it's for my own good.
Who gives a shit about the damn radio? I'm more worried about whoever it was out there ringing that bell and bringing the dead down on top of us. It's like they didn't want us to make it to the river.
What if they're the same guy?
That doesn't make any damn sense. If it was the same guy, why would he warn us?
Damned if I know. Maybe they were just trying to mess with us. Wouldn't be the most screwed up thing I've seen these past few weeks, I can tell you.
Whoever that was on the radio, I think they were trying to help us. They did warn us, didn't they?
Maybe you're right. But whoever it was, they're watching us, following us, and they don't want us to know who they are. I can't think of any explanation for that would make me feel better. Can you?
Nein, eigentlich auch nicht.
We need to make sure Chuck is okay. Once it's quieted down outside, we'll all head towards the river. See if we can find him. Deal?
Suit yourselves, but I'm not going to wait around too long for someone else to grab up those boats. That's our ticket out of here.
Ja, Kenny. Überstürz mal jetzt mal.
Place
nichts.
seems secure at least.
I'll feel better when we know that for sure. We need to check the whole house.
All right, fine. You and me'll take the upstairs. Lee, you've got down here. Make sure you check every door, understand?
Okay.
Ja, liebe Freunde, ich weiß nicht.
Can I help? What if there's another locked door?
I think you've been helpful enough for one day, kiddo. Why don't you just see if Kristen or me need anything, okay?
Okay.
Das sind auch wichtige Aufgaben, Clementine. So, liebe Freunde, ich mache nicht ich mache nicht Pause. Wie es weitergeht, was wir tun, was wir hier noch so entdecken, werden wir beim nächsten Mal sehen. Bleibt weiterhin dran, wenn es heißt The Walking Dead, Episode 4. Es ist richtig schwierig, richtige Entscheidungen zu treffen und niemandem weh zu tun, aber manche Situationen müssen einfach Opfer bringen und auch in manchen Situationen muss man halt auch Leute unfreiwillig verletzen. Anders geht's nicht. Wir werden sehen, wie es weitergeht. Bis dahin. Tschüss!